How to use Speechify Work. Speechify is best known for reading text aloud, but the web app now has a second side, an AI workspace that does tasks for you, summarizing, researching, and building things from your documents. In this tutorial, I will run a complete task from start to finish so you can see exactly how it works. This is the Speechify home screen, and the question at the top, "What do you want to work on today?" is the doorway to the work features. Underneath the task box sit the workflow tabs, and each one is a category of job Speechify can do for you. Create, research, business, and study. Let us open Create. Create holds the Make Something tools, podcasts, quizzes, slides, reports, and summaries. I will pick Summary, since it is the clearest way to show the whole loop. Notice what happens when I choose it. The task box now shows a summary pill, and Speechify is waiting for a source. You could paste text or a link, but the real power is pointing it at your own files, so I will click Select from Library. This opens your file picker with everything you have saved. I will choose the document I want summarized, then click Attach to bring it into the task. And now the document sits in the task box as an attachment, with the summary action set. Everything is ready, so I click Send and hand the job to Speechify. This is the part that makes it a workspace rather than a reader. Speechify plans the task, works through the document, and writes the result. It takes a short moment, not instant, because it is actually doing the work. And here is the finished summary. A clean, structured rewrite of the whole document in a fraction of the original length. Two things worth pointing out. First, the result is saved as its own task in your sidebar, so you can come back to it anytime. And second, see this Listen button at the top, because this is still Speechify. You can have the summary itself read aloud in a natural voice, which closes the loop between the work side and the listening side of the app. That is the core pattern for everything in Speechify Work. Pick a workflow, give it a source, and send. The research, business, and study tabs all follow the exact same 3 steps, just aimed at different jobs, from market analysis to essay writing to study plans. Once you have this loop, the whole workspace opens up. Subscribe for more quick tutorials, and I will see you in the next one.